Take a deep breath, everybody. He's absolutely committed. He hits the wall, first of all, on the right-hand side, and that breaks. Kirchhofer is a passenger, gets airborne and almost does roll over.
That went over.
I think that went over.
Let's have a look at how it happened then. Into turn number 5. Oh, they were gone early. Oh, big smash. That's a big accident.
Something inside of Remy Gardner, who's just a little... high side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Goodness me, it's exactly what you don't want to see. Do you know what? I think he's seen that there's an incident, and he's actually gone left. He's gone right, sorry, instead of left.
Nothing. What could he do?
Oh my goodness me.
Look at the motorcycles. It's ripped the front wheel.